Hello everyone, welcome back into Engineering Insights Revit Architecture Essential Training with today's topic of discussion creation of walls in Revit. Let's start it. I have created some grid lines for my reference about which I already discussed in my previous lecture. You can check out the link in description. So now let's move towards walls. Pick architecture wall from walls. Now before drawing my walls, let's discuss some important things about walls. In Revit, three types of walls available in this property section. If you click on this arrow, you can check all these three. First one is basic wall, second one is curtain wall, and third one is stake wall. We will discuss all these three during our training, but today is focused on basic walls, which is mostly required for all types of projects. If you select any basic wall family from here and go to edit type, you can find the edit button in front of this parameter structure. If you click on this, you can see the thickness of any wall. You can see here each wall family or each wall type consists of different layers. And if you click on this preview, you can see these layers from inside to outside, from interior to exterior side. This one is this one and this one is this one. Now, one of very important thing you have to understand that there is always an layer present that is called core boundary layer. And in this example, there is one layer concrete masonry unit inside this, and all of the other layers are sticking with it. Now, if you select any layer, you can use this down or up button for moving these layers up and down. And accordingly, there are six lines on which we are doing working. These are exterior line of whole wall, interior line of whole wall, and if you took the thickness of wall from here and divide it by 2, you can find the center line of whole wall. So these are three lines, and rest of three lines are interior line of core, exterior line of core, and center line of core. Why I am talking about these lines? Because before putting the walls, Revit will ask you to select the location line. And if you want to change thickness of any wall family, so for this, let's move back one step. Here you can find the option of duplicate. You can create duplicate and rename it according to your wall. Let's say it will be 9-inch thick wall. Then go again into edit and change layer from here. Let's I remove these layers. You can see now the thickness is 9-inch. Now click OK. Now if you go here again, you can see the new wall family of 9-inch thick wall is also available here. Now select the height of wall from here. I want this up to the parapet wall level. And select the location line from here. These are those six lines about which I am talking a couple of minutes ago. Let me select the finish face exterior from here and click on this chain box. This chain means the ending point of first wall should be connected with the starting point of next one. Now let's just start our working. I want to start from somewhere here. You can see when I come over this grid, it will show me these temporary dimensions. So with the help of these dimensions, I can select my first point. And now if I create my walls, you can see the wall is created by using the exterior face line. Let me quickly draw all my walls, and once you're done, you can finish this command by using escape key twice, or you can click on this modify button for ending the wall command. Now select realistic view from this visual style cube and change detail level from coarse to fine from this cube. So in this way you can see all the layers of walls. So this is all about the basic walls of Revit. And in the future movies we will discuss about the curtain and stake wall as well. So stay updated with hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.